We are at the Genocide Center. It's 30 minutes out of Phnom Penh, and the ticket costs $6 per person, and it includes an audio guide. This was the place that around 20,000 people were executed, and this is a memorial to those who died here. And there are skulls inside of the people who were discovered in the mass graves. It is a very sad sight. This is a monument to all the 20,000 odd people who were discovered here. They still find more skulls in the rainy season. But unfortunately we have learned nothing from history. After Holocaust, killing fields, Rwanda, Bosnia, and it continues even to this day. But still refuse to learn from history.